Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To remove the light block, you must remove the 2 screws which are located in the trunk. To do this, use a 10mm spanner. Extract the light block, pulling it towards you. Remove the connection to the connector board by pushing on the plastic tab with your index finger, all while pulling it towards you. To access the bulbs, separate the plastic tab located on the upper edge of the light. Then remove the external cover of the headlights. You can now access the bulbs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a 1/4 turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To reassemble, ensure that the waterproof seal on the headlight is well positioned. Then, put the headlights cover in place, ensuring that the 3 plastic tabs are properly locked in. You can then reconnect the connector. Insert the light block into its housing. Finally, finish by screwing the 2 holding lock nuts with a key. Operation completed.